Hello friends, my name is Kumar and welcome back to my channel Kumar Programming. From the Mocha Chai unit testing series, today I'm going to fix an issues which is type error unknown file extension. Right. Initially, I thought like this would be a very simple issues, but I see this issue is being faced by number of friends and viewers, and I cannot go and fix for each and every one issue. So I thought to make a video on this to fix it. So in this video, we are going to replicate this issue, and then after that we will fix it. And I got to know this issue, one of my friend who mentioned like he's using latest chai library. So if you see here, this is my series for Mocha Chai, and here I see the 41 comments for this, right? This is quite high, good. And thanks to all of you for commenting me. And here if you see, most of the people are having issues with this error unknown file extension, right? See also here we have one comment for error unknown file extension. We are going to fix this issue in this video. So let's start. So I'm going to clone this project in my Visual Studio Code. So here this is my GitHub repository, and I'm going to clone this in VS Code. So here we know that we have command as a git clone, and this is my GitHub repository. So I'm just going to clone in my one of my folder, and now I'm going to change this cd, and it's Mocha Chai unit testing, right? Mocha Chai unit testing, right? Now let's open this project in Visual Studio Code. So here we have code dot, right? So this project is going to open this in separate instance of Visual Studio Code, right? So here my project is open. Let me make it bigger so you guys can view it. I think this is quite big. Yeah, I think this would be fine, right? Okay. So now what we will do here, first of all, I would just run npm install, right? So what it will do, it will just install all my packages which I have defined over here, right? This Chai, Mocha, NYC and Cinnamon, right? So all these packages are going to be installed. So first of all, I'm going to run my existing configuration and I'll try to reproduce this issue. Okay. So it's installing now. It's taking some time. So I'm going to forward this video. Right. So here all of my packages are installed. Now what I'll do, so now I'll run my test cases. npm run test, right? Sorry, it's npm run test. And if you see, and you will see here, it's going to execute it successfully in my machine, right? See, it's running successfully on my machine, because here if you see, I'm using Chai version of 4.3.7, right? If you want to execute this in your machine by just degrading your Chai version as a 4.3.7, it's going to work for you as well, right? But we have to execute this on the latest version of Mocha Chai, right? So how we can do that? So in order to do that, first of all, what I'll do here, I'll just install the latest version of Mocha Chai and NYC npm, or let me first delete this node module folder, right? Because this is having the existing all the package details. So I'll delete this first node module folder, and then I'll have a fresh installation, right? So here I'm going to npm install. I will install Chai, I'll install Mocha, and I'll install NYC Istanbul and Sinan, right? And also I will install type Chai, right? And I'll install Mocha because we are working on TypeScript, right? And here I will install Sinan, right? And also we will see here we have a dependency on TS node, right? So I'll install TS node, and I'll install knock because that is also needs to be there inside our dev dependency, right? And this would be a dev dependency, right? So I'm going to install it, and yeah, I'll remove this all the older version from here. So I'll be having a latest version for all these packages, right? So now let's install, right? So now I have installed all the latest version. Let me minimize a bit. Yeah. So I have installed Chai. If you see, this is the latest version of Chai 5.1.2 and Mocha 11, and currently I'm running my node version is 20. Yeah. Now I'll update this XEOs as well. Okay. So I will install XEOs, right? Great. So now if I'll run my test cases, then I would be seeing the same issues like you. Npm run test, right? So this is the issue that you guys are facing, right? So here error unknown file extension, this type error unknown file extension TS, right? So now we are going to fix this issue. So first of all, let's know the root cause of this issue. This issue is coming because of we are dependent on TS node, and TS node is not working for the latest of Mocha and Chai, right? So we have to get rid of this TS node. So I'll do it. First of all, I'll remove this TS node and npm uninstall TS node, right? So now it's going to remove this TS node, and once this TS node will be removed, then we have to use our TSX, okay, TypeScript execution package. Okay, so npm install TSX, right? And that would be the save dev because that is required at the development side only. So now it's going to install TSX package here, right? Our package got installed. Now how we can utilize this TSS package, right? So we have our package.json file. Here in this package.json file, here we have to remove this our dependency on TS node, right? So I'll remove this dependency from both of the commands for the test and test coverage, and I'm going to use this here, import our TSX. Okay, import, right? And I'll be using this in our test command as well, right? Now we will run this project. See, I'll run my test cases, npm run test, and this should resolve our issue. Yeah, see, now my project is running. Now I'm seeing only 3 test cases are running. So it is because of in my test cases last time I made it only, right? So I'll just remove this and I'll run my test cases here once again. So I would be seeing that all of my test cases would be running fine. Yeah, see, all of my 18 test cases are running fine, and I can run our npm run test coverage as well, right? Now if you see here, my NYC output is being generated, and here you see, so all of my code 100% is covered with the test cases, and you can see the report over here inside my test report. Here I can go reveal in the file folder, and here I can open it in my browser in order to see the report. See, this is 100% covered, and you can see all of my code is covered over here, right? So I hope this is going to help for you to in order to fix this issue. And also I'm going to commit this code to my branch so you guys can take the reference of it, right? So here I'll use my git bash command. Here is my git bash command, right? Git status, these all are test report, right? Okay, I'll upload all these files, right? Fix type error. Okay, git push. Yep, so now code has been pushed to my branch, and you can take the reference from there, right? So that's all for this video. And at the end of this video, friends, there's a humble request to all of you. If you have not subscribed this channel, please subscribe it to keep supporting me and my channel. So that's all for this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care and keep learning.